In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wayback Machine downloader tool and import the content to WordPress. This process is an excellent way to retrieve and recreate content from archived versions of websites, essentially fetching snapshots of them from the Wayback Machine, which can be useful if you want to restore older versions of a website or preserve content that's no longer available. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once there, in the search bar, type Wayback Machine Downloader and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results, and you'll want to click on the one that directly takes you to their homepage. It's essential to ensure you're visiting the actual tool's website to avoid any potential phishing sites or unreliable sources. Once you're on the Wayback Machine Downloader site, you'll notice a field that prompts you to enter the archive URL. This is where you paste the URL of the archived page or site that you want to download. For those who might not know, the archive URL is the specific link from the Wayback Machine's archive that corresponds to the particular version of the website you're interested in. It essentially acts as a snapshot in time of how the website appeared on that date. So make sure you have the correct URL ready and paste it in the designated field. Next, you'll need to provide your email address. Entering your email is a crucial step because this is where the tool will send notifications or sometimes the download link depending on the service's setup. Ensure your email address is correct to avoid any hiccups or missed communications. After entering the necessary details, click on the Start Scraping button. This action initiates the downloading process, and the tool will begin retrieving the necessary data from the archive site. This process might take some time, so be patient. The duration usually depends on the size of the site and the speed of the tool at that particular time. You'll receive a notification or an email confirming the completion of the download process. Once the download is complete, you'll have the archived files available on your local system. From here, you can move on to importing this content into WordPress. While our focus today is all about utilizing the Wayback Machine downloader tool, remember that the next steps would involve accessing your WordPress dashboard and using appropriate plugins or tools to upload and configure the downloaded content to match your new or existing site layout. And that's it. You've successfully used the Wayback Machine downloader tool to archive and download content, ready to be imported into WordPress. Whether you need this for site restoration, content preservation, or even reviving older projects, this tool can be extraordinarily helpful. Feel free to explore more functionalities of the downloader at your pace for an even better experience.